should just make this bigger. I could make the window bigger to make that bigger. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, I am trading live. So I'm down 12%. I'm so sad. Let's see what we can get up. Natural gas, I thought that was going to go down. It went up. Mamma mia. Lost me 100 buckies. Let's just look at our current trades. Where's my beer? Singapore, we're happy because it always goes up. My stop loss is really far down though, but is it the hourly? Should have got in there, right? But we're happy. This is it, yeah. Although, can it have another hourly like that? It would wipe out my stop loss. So I guess I'll have to put it as a break even just to be safe. Let's go to the hourly view and we'll just do it on here. Singapore. So I've got trading view here so I can see stuff, and then this is the hourly zoomed in on trading view. So I'll change my stop loss to like what, 5 cents, $1, 77 cents. Woo. And hopefully it won't go down again. It'll just stay up forever. And why am I doing that? Because when we look at the hourly, which we just looked at, it has had some blip, and I don't want to get one of those. Like here, where I bought here and sold there and lost myself $100. Bought here and then luckily I survived all of this. Maybe I should leave my stop loss where it was. Should be fine, right? The reason I put it down is because I was looking at this hourly where it's gone blah 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 blah, but that was like last month, so it should be fine. I want to stay in it because all the signs is the daily. There's no sign of it going down. The RSI is up. It's above the trend line. It just goes up, 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 up. We want to stay in as long as we can. Let's keep our stop loss in a dangerous place. I can't click it. There we go. Down there, I guess it's safe. So it's like $100. So if it goes below that line, I'm going to lose $100. And hopefully it won't. I'm up 35. Woo. And hopefully it'll just keep on going up and up and up. And the reason I'm doing the higher risk is because I want to stay in there. I want to hold it. And I can't, when it gets to $100 up, which is 1% of my what was 1% of my account, I will push it up. Oh, I got my account number here live. I should not have that. I should be blurring that out. I guess it's pretty, I don't know. I don't want to be like those people like, oh no, my crypto's all empty. Let me just get rid of that and hope nobody saw it. There. Cool. Now nobody can see. Too late, potato. Anyway, please don't rob me. I'm trying hard as I can to make money. So this is Euro USD, and I'm happy about this one because my setup says that if the green arrow blocks break past the super trend line, then buy it and hold it forever. And that's what I'm doing. And I've got my stop loss down here really low anyway. This is the RSI, which says it was overbought for ages and now it's still overbought, but the RSI on currency pairs isn't really a good indicator. But when you compare it with Renko candles, it can be good, but it's just kind of early. Yeah, it's the same. You get it's like, oh, you get a candle down, it's the same as that going down. It's just like exaggerated. Let's just go through all the pairs. Aussie 200. I want to buy this. I've been trying to buy this all week. I've been waiting for a crash so I can get into it. And hopefully Friday night it's a sell-off. It's America. They're gonna sell it off, and I'm gonna buy some. Where's it gonna stop? There. Give me some Aussie and put my stop loss down here. Should be fine. below the high. So when was the last time it was here? This was, give me a date, 26th of May, and we're now 6th of June, so it's more than a month ago. And we're going to risk 1% of our account. Done. We put our buy order in. So we've put in an order. Will I stay up all night and watch this and see if I can get it? Maybe. So if it hits there tonight, we will buy some. Let's look at previous, how far it's gone down. So where's my measuring tool? Here it went down 127 pips, is that? I don't know what it is. $1,200. No, it's $127 it went down in one night, and then, or however long that was. So that was from the high to the low. So if we go down $127 from the high, 127, so it might go down that far, 127 there. So we could be super sneaky and put our stop loss in there, which would allow us to buy an extra 0.8 units instead of 0.3 units with a good. So if it goes down there and we get it for a really good price, and then this time I'm going to hold on to it. Okay, next, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going down. We're waiting for it to come up again. Maybe we should trade it down. It's so volatile. We will not trade it down. I've learned my lesson. I'm not going to try and be clever and try and make $100 here and $100 there. Crude oil, not going to trade it. Bund, can't trade it because I need a 50% deposit and I haven't got any money. China, this is up. Daily says up. We held this. What happened to it? Let's have a look at our trade history on China. I think we broke even. I got scared and put my stop loss too close, and why is it not loading? China 50. This is China 50. It is no China Hong Kong. So my understanding is that these are Chinese shares, but you're buying them in Hong Kong dollars. See, here I bought and there I sold, lost $100. This is how you lose. That's 1% of my account gone. This is how I lost 12% by just doing that repeatedly. I've got to do it the other way around. And I didn't buy again because I'm so scared of Trump. Every time he talks, something crazy happens. And also, this red candle signifies maybe it's turning around, but nobody knows. RSI says it's like a reasonable price. This is the top of the RSI, this dotted line, and that's when it's like overpriced according to the RSI, which nobody uses, but I use it. And this is the hourly chart with the Renko candles and the RSI, and it's just coming. See, when it goes down, it's an early indicator that it's time to get out, and so I did, and now it's going up again. Trend line is flat. If the trend line's pointing up and the green is above it, it's like buy, buy, buy. But the trend line is flat and the green is above it. This is on the hourly. It had a good run. See, here it had a good run and then carried on, and then a drop. And here it had a good run. See, here is the where you would buy it according to my system, but I wasn't here when that happened. And is it going to keep going up? Let's see if we can get it for a good price again. Here, maybe. It's going to go down tonight, right? Because everyone sells off on Friday night, which is Friday day in America. But this look how volatile it is. It's like up, 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 down, down, up, down. And then that was, I don't know what happened there. Just Trump talking and China talking. If I can buy it here and risk 1% again, it'll be a good buy. It'll be a good buy, right? It'll be a good deal. And if it goes below that line, then I know, well, actually I should change that to here, because over here there was a little volatility that hit it. If it goes down tonight and I get it for that much, and then it doesn't go down anymore, then I will try to hold it for a long time and see how long it goes up for. Let's see how long this run was. I mean, it was bars, but it doesn't tell you days, does it? 17th of March, and that was a 2 months. 7th of February, 17th of March, 1 month and a half. So we've been going since 14th of April. That's already a month and a half. That's like a month. No, it's like 3/4 of a month. So it's probably got another month of going up if the pattern continues. Next, China A50. I'm gonna hang around tonight and see what happens. See, that daily says it's above the super trend, but it's pointing down. Maybe now's the time to get it, because if you look at the hourly, it's pointing up again, right? So maybe we could put an offer in down here. Let's have a look at China A50. China A50. So it's are they the same thing? I don't think they are. If you look at this, I bought here, I lost $100. I bought here, broke even. I bought here, and then what happened? Where's my sell? Am I still in there? I don't think I'm still in there. What? Where's my sell? I bought here. Shouldn't I still own them if there's no sell on them? Did I make money here? I bought them for 13,457 and sold them 13,411, so I lost money. So sad. And here I bought them. I should be still holding them, but I'm not. So again, I would like to buy it about there. Looks like a nice place to buy it, and I want it to go below that. And let's zoom out a bit. Look how good our stop loss is. Maybe we should be more careful and put it all the way down there, which will reduce our amount that we buy. But so you're buying 0.1 units at 13,000. I think that's Chinese dollars. I have no idea. I should be more educated. Let me just go 13,000 Chinese yuan and AUD. It's going to be like $1,000, I'm guessing. 2,000. We're buying 0.1 of that, so we're putting in $278. Okay. So it looks my buy limit looks really close there. I have my stop loss. But here it looks okay. Actually, I'm just freaking myself out now, because looking at the hourly, it's had a really big low. And is it coming up from that? It's got a high, a lower high, a lower lows and lower highs on the hourly, so that suggests it's going down. But on the daily, yeah, on the daily it's going down too, because this is it's a whole month. So I should not be so optimistic. Looking at the real hourly without the stuff it's got, yeah, it's like a lower high, a low, then a higher low, then the same low, then the same low, then a higher low. So it looks like it's going up here, except it's had a nice down this week. It's going down. Let's see if we can buy some tonight and get up. I'm going to be more positive for shares. Copper. Again, I got burnt on this because that lady is a YouTuber lady who loves to trade copper. Give me Oanda copper. And she always says it's the best, but I'm not doing very well with it. Where's the pattern in this? It's like down, up, down, up, down. Now it's going to go up, probably, maybe. Except if I buy it, I'm not going to buy it. out of here, man. There's no trend. This is the hourly with Renko candles. See, I would think here there's a double high. I would think it's going to go down, and I would short it, and I probably did short it. Let's forget copper. Corn. Everyone loves corn. The price of corn is falling. Is that trend based? Has had some long runs, and it's maybe going to have a long run down to here. Let's see if we can get a short into it. Did I make a profit on that one? 4.51. I made a profit at break even, basically. I longed it. I thought, yeah, it's going up. I'll get in there. And it went up a bit, and I broke even, and then it went. So I'm glad I set myself a good stop loss. And now what is it going to do? Is it hitting this same floor 1, 2, 3 times? Is it going to hit it again? Is it going to go through it? If you look at the daily, you would say it's down. Some great volatility, June 2023, and now it is lower high, lower high. It's pretty gonna go another. I'm not gonna go in. Okay, I have no good feelings about it. Ether. I'm long on Ether, and I'm happy that I'm long because look, the sign is the green candle broke above this, what do you call that thing? The super trend line. The RSI has just gone from underbought to normal price. And it's just hitting like the bottom of the, is it hitting the bottom? Yeah, so there's the two RSI lines. That's, if it hits here, it means it's too expensive. And if it hits here, it means it's too cheap. It's like being way too cheap if it was a resource, if it was like something that people wanted. And I don't know if it is something people want, but I'm hoping that it'll come back and hit that high again. But right now I'm down $40. Let's have a look at the hourly. So I went in here. Oh, I shorted it? What? That's my stop loss. I went in there. It's literally about to hit my stop loss, look. Why is my stop loss so close? This is the daily. Yeah, on the hourly you think it's actually far away. It looks far away on the hourly because I'm like, and it looks like, look, it almost hit it, but it was a good stop loss because that one didn't hit it. I bought it here, hoping for, and it's been up. Maybe I should have just sold it when it was up. Maybe it's just really volatile and I have to wait. I want to get the run like that. Boom. When was that? May 25th. I don't know what happened then. But yeah, that's my Ether. So I bought it here. I set my stop loss at a good place and it got close to it. And it seems to be a good stop loss. And now hopefully I'm going to get some positivity. We'll see. So if it does get up there, how much money will I get? And the answer is $500. Yeah, I can make 5% back out of my 12% that I've lost. Yay. Europe, that's going up. See, look, the out of greens, the RSI is just going down below. The RSI says down. Super trend is flat, but it's above it. So it's like wavering. It doesn't know if it's going to go up or down, but it's generally up because it's above the trend. There's lots of green candles, and it's just about to make another green candle. So if I were to go in on that, I would have to go in, but I can't because Europe's so expensive. I'd have to go in with a Euro 200, Euro 500. There you go. Europe, the top 50 companies of Europe. So it had, look at that break up. I want to get one of those, man. And then just get out and take my money. Or stay in for the long term and keep it going up to here. So the question is it going to keep on going up? It has such a big drop there. Generally stock markets go up, right? And if we go back, let's go out to the monthly, so we can see the big picture of the Europe stock market. It always goes up. It's actually really, really high right now, 5,400 euros for one unit. But the monthly says it is super overpriced according to the RSI. Is this something I want to buy right now? I want to buy it there. That's the time to buy it. On April 14th, 2025. Let's have a look what happened on April 14th. 11, 12, 14. Right there is the time to buy it. According to my system. Bam. Did I make or lose money there? Probably lost money because there's a giant red candle. Okay, I'm thinking about it. If I do buy it, I have to put my stop loss way down here. It's probably gonna go blip 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 up, blip blip blip. Maybe I can get in here, but I don't know. I don't know if I want to buy it or not. Let's look at some of the inside of Europe markets. Let's have a look at France 40. These are the top 40 companies of France. That also is a wavering. See, the RSI is like, it's almost overpriced. Nobody knows. It doesn't have a clear direction. It might be turning around. It might be going up. Germany's going up. RSI went down, and then it's like, nah, we're going up. So let's have a look at Germany. Can we get in some German companies? Let's look at Germany on the monthly. It is a really good investment. Like, you buy it there, November 23, and you'd be a happy chico right now. Supposing every block is $1,000, you'd be up $25,000. But nothing goes up forever, right? There's always a down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, up. And where's the down, down, down? It's overdue. So look here, we have May 16th to October 17th. So that's February. That's a whole year. It went up, and then 2 months it went down, and then December 18th to November 19th, a whole year it went up, and then November 19th, and then it went down in 6 months. That's a year, 6 months, a year, something like that. Let's do it without the Renko candles. 2004, 3 years of up. 2008, 1 year down. Was 2019, COVID. Nothing much happened in COVID. 2008, which is there. That's the GFC. And then what's this crazy stuff? This is more crazy than the GFC. Well, it's not. It's more sudden. What's that? 2020. That's COVID right there. Okay, that's COVID. And then what's 2022? I don't know. Second GFC, and then it's just gone blop blop blop. 4 months of super highness. If I go in now, I'll feel like I'm FOMO. But look at that candle. That's Trump tariffs, I bet you. 3 months ago. It must be that. No. RSI just crazy. Anyway, yes, a big candle down. Would have been the perfect time to buy it if I was not scared. Next time, when it goes down, it starts coming up, buy it. Okay, me? Okay, me. But right now, it's going up, but I don't know. I can't. Gold. I shorted gold. What a dummy. Why did I short gold? I thought, you know what I thought? I thought, look, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, and then it had a red candle, and I was like, surely it will go down even more, because it has a lower high, a high, a lower, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and I thought, yep, it's going to go down even more, and I shorted it, hoping to collect down here, and lost another $100. But gold on the daily says bye bye bye. Should have bought it here. Let's have a look at gold. Can we get in? Gold in Aussie dollars. I bought it here and sold it there. 5145. This is where I shorted it and then lost $100. I can get in there. I'm pretty sure I can. The daily says rise, where it says up, up, up. I'm a stop loss down here. Let's do it, but I can't even do it because I'm too poor to buy gold. Now I can. Great. I can buy 1 ounce of gold. Let's move this down a bit more. If I get some, I'll be happy anyway, and I will just hold on to it and not sell it. Next is gold and silver. See, that's down, and I've just missed out on the thing, but it looks to me like the price of gold and silver is going to have a nice little down, but I've already missed out. See, I should get it there, but now it's already dropped. Where's gold, silver? There. What happened? It just went blip, breakout down. I was thinking about shorting that. I promise I was. Why didn't I? Too late. Hindsight is 2020 out, because it's hitting that line, and I thought it's going to bounce off it a third time, but it didn't. Man, my videos must be so boring for people. I should not be negative to myself now. Because it's going down, let's look at it, because it's usually pretty range bound, right? This is the whole history of gold and silver. So here, you could buy 1 ounce of gold with 120 ounces of silver. And now, I can do it in grams actually. I could buy 1 gram of gold for 66 grams of silver. And now it's 103. Is it going to get all the way back down to this line? I think maybe it will. But have I bought in? I can't. Is it too late to buy in now? Probably it is. Maybe it'll come up and hit that line again. I want to sell at that price, and then I'm going to put my stop loss way up there and make that 1%. I can't. 0 units. Okay. Forget it. Bam. Gold, silver is really expensive to trade in, because you need to buy 1 ounce of gold, which is, how much is 1 ounce of gold in Aussie dollars? It is $5,200. Hong Kong, we love Hong Kong. It's going up, look at that. I should have been in there. I've got to love stocks more and just buy them. And see, I made $100, yay. And then I lost $100, yay. I've got to hold on to it. So same thing, we think it's going to come down here. There's a lot of, and then we're going to buy it. And then a stop loss is going to be down there. Really safe, because it's passing that line. Even safer down there. Or do we need to be so safe? Yes, we do. Let's be safe. Better to be safe and make a little bit of money than be crazy and lose a lot of money. So that's that's $89. So I'll have to hold on for a long time if I get that. Next is Japan. I am already long on it. So what I'm doing, in case anyone's wondering why I'm jumping around so much, is this is the daily with Renko. It's zooming out, and then I'm going in here and zooming in. This is the hourly. So each one of those candles is 1 hour of price change. And I bought it up there. I should have bought it down here. and now it's in like a weird state. Could we buy some more and double down on it? We put in a really good risk down, low risk stop loss down there. The daily says, let's see, that the RSI said overpriced, went down, and now it's coming back up to overpriced. Japan's not as steady as other markets. Like it's very, see here it's very crazy, but it does have good runs, a good run down. And they're gonna get a good run up. I will not double down on it because I'm too scared. Litecoin, my system says it's shorting it now because it's broke down past that line. RSI is down. Let's see if we can short ourselves some Litecoin and hold on to it. And let's have a look at the past. How long have the shorts been? They've been alright. That's a few bars there. Okay, so we're gonna go in here and short it, and our stop loss is gonna be super safe up there or here. That gives us how far ago is that? That's reasonably safe stop loss. Let's be safe. Let's be super safe though. Okay, edit and stop loss 1%. So we're going to short 2.9 Bitcoin when Litecoin when it gets there, and hold on to it forever until it gets down to even lower. And the stop loss is super safe up here. So we're not even going to make that much money. We're probably going to make $50 over a long time. I'm just looking at all the levels. See, look at that, boom. Could have made $50 in a day, an hour. Wonder what happened there and why everyone hated Litecoin so much. Luckily it's nice and not volatile right now. I think that's pretty safe. We're looking at how far back is that? That's May. So that's like more than a month ago. And then over here it's been pretty, yeah, okay, we should be fine. Nice and safe and slow. Natural gas, I thought that was going to go down, but it went up. Because that says down, then it goes up. Then I was like, oh, yeah, it's going to go down now. But nope, it did not. It went up, lost me $100. Didn't put my stop loss close. I just put it too close. Netherlands shooting out the sky. Let's see if we can get that for a bargain. Netherlands, and this is the hourly. See, it would have been great to buy down here, right? It is very volatile. Look at that. I think that the Renko candles, which take the, what do you call the standard, the average size of 1 day's trading, can be tricked by these giant blop by giant drops. If I was going to draw a line up here, I'd be drawing through bottom. It would have been perfect to buy in there. But now it is too late. But it might go up. I'm going to wait. I'm going to be a patient boy. This one I tried to buy it down here and nobody took my offer. I'm going to take profits up there. It's almost at my take profits, so forget about Palladium. To a double L. So I tried to buy it here. It touched that. Why didn't it buy it? What? It touched my buy line. Gar, just remove it. See, that's a really scary trade. It's a very, what do you call that thing? This is the daily. Yeah, it's coming up to the top. It's gonna, but I'm not gonna. Maybe I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna leave it. It's pretty range bound. Looking at the hourly, it goes down, up. It's gonna keep going up probably, but there's not enough room in it for me Platinum. Why is platinum going out the sky? Platinum. I wanted that. Look, I bought it here, and then why don't I own it now? Did I sell it again? I sold it in the same day. I would have been up a few $100. Why? Why don't I do things right? Okay, I'm gonna get better. Right now, look, it's range bound, and now suddenly it's shooting out the sky. Probably I would short platinum, but not now. Silver Aussie. I love silver. I should have bought some. I've got to wait for it to go down again. Silver. I've got to wait for it to hit that sort of level, which it probably won't. But anyway, stop loss down here. Can I even buy any like that? Edit. Risk 1%. So I'm buying 20 ounces of silver at that price, and then hoping it never goes down there, and then just hold on to it forever. And there it is. See, I'm hoping it's not going to hit that stop loss. Okay. But maybe it will. Maybe go down to, boop, and come up. I need to put a time limit on that. I'll make it till next Sunday. Let's say we're here. I just got it to Saturday. I'll do it to next Saturday. Singapore. The thing is, I've got to hold the winners more, and that's my plan. See, Singapore, I'm holding it. Yay. I'm too scared about putting. See, okay. What would you do? Is there anyone watching? Is anyone going to give me some free advice? Nobody's watching. Great. Okay, what would you do if I'm up $36? Should I move my stop loss up to break even? Then if it goes down, I'll just rebuy it. Or shall I leave my stop loss there and just hope for the best? Because if I rebuying it's work, I'll just leave my stop loss there. I think I've got to be more confident in holding things. This looks like it's going to go down. This is the price of soybeans. Look at the hourly. It looks very jiggly joggly. But the daily, it looks down, up, down, up. I'm not going to trade it. I just want to buy stocks at the right time. Spain, this one says down, but yet it's going up. Let's see if we can buy some Spain stocks. I'd say here. Buy. See, I'm always coming in too late, eh? And that's a very risky stop loss. I could put the stop loss down there. Put it like there. I'm just using that line there and the idea that this is a drop. Okay, edit. Risk 1%, buying 0.1. So we'll get some Spain if it drops down here, and we'll hold on to it. Sugar. Dropping out the pooper. Maybe I should be really, what is that word? Excited, and make my YouTube videos exciting. It would be good to short some sugar. I mean, we could go in here at a short and then put the stop loss up there and risk 1%. It's a little bit violent. A little bit volatile. But then we're looking at the RSI, it's undersold, and it's the lowest it's ever been. I'm not gonna go in there. Just get rid of my limit offer. I'm too scared because it's going lower than it's ever been before. Switzerland. Looks like it's coming up. UK, but it's too wavery. UK is coming up. RSI is just hitting the overbought price, but we've probably got some more room for us in there if we can get some. Should not have sold. Look. Okay, enter here, buy. Stop loss way down there where it's pretty safe. Hey there. No, I'm good. All good. I gotcha. Good night there. So I bought some, sorry for yelling. I offered to buy it here. Stop loss way down there, and we'll just hold on to it. I'll see how we go. I can always buy more if it goes down later. Russ 2000, we're already in. Hey, we're up $5. Yay. See, I'm glad after Mr. Tesla. See, we're in, and we've got a really safe stop loss. We're up $5. We will hold it because all the signs say up. Its historical high has been up here 2,400. This is 2,000 companies that are like not the top 1,000, but the 2,000 below that. So I didn't buy Google or Tesla. But if we go to Wall Street 30, which is Tesla, I would have thought that would have been way down. I thought it had an 11% drop. Huh. So Russ 2000 is kind of good because it's probably going to get a good long run up. It does look a bit wavery though, like in the past. This is overpriced for some reason. Let's have a look at the historical monthly. And buy it in 2004, even though it went down, you would be fine. See, that says that's 2024, that's last year. I think we're going up on the monthly chart and on the daily chart. I'll just hold it. S&P 500, that's almost back to its previous highs. Wall Street we did. West Texas Oil, I can't trade multiple American companies at the same time. It's less diversified. Wheat, I don't know what that's doing. Aussie Kiwi, I was expecting that to get back up to $1.11, but now it's probably going to go down to $1.05. We'll see. I'm not betting on it. Aussie Singapore, this is pretty. Let's look at the monthly. The monthly has good noise removal. So it was $1.35 Singapore, and now it's 83 cents. So nothing to bet on. New Zealand, Japan. That also looks pretty choppy. Let's look at the long term. One Kiwi was 92 yen, and now it was 48 yen, and now it's 87 yen. I don't know, man. I can't see any. It looks too choppy to trade. US Canadian. I'm falling asleep. This looks like a good one. See, that was a good run. A good run up to $1.46, and then it's on a good run down. But I'm in too late. Singapore Kiwi. Or Kiwi Singapore. Not tradable. Kiwi Hong Kong. Looks like it's gonna go up, but I'm in too late. US Mexican. I can't trade it because the spread's too high. You have to pay half a cent for every dollar. I don't know. You have to pay, I don't know, like 5 cents per $100, $5 per $100, I don't know. Some amount that's too much. Eurochiff looks like that's bouncing off a floor, but is it? Who knows? And that's it. That's all my trading. And now we just hold on. I'll come back later and see what's happening. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful night. I've got 3 people. Oh, now people are watching. Thank you for watching. Whoever's the one person is watching, I'm sorry that you came in at the end of it. And have a wonderful night. Bye.